Hi teacher, I'm going to talk about the things that I will do on my vacations. Let's start. In my vacations, I'll go with my mother to visit my family in Quito. First, a very long trip will wait for us, around 10 to 12 hours on road. Maybe when we arrive at the bus station, our family gonna find for us. We're gonna be on road like 1 hour more until we arrive home. I guess that my aunt will cook something delicious because always that we go to Quito they be very nice with us, and I really love that. I will go into the city to do tourism with my cousins. I would like to know El Panecillo and then visit after a few years La Carolina Park, cause I don't remember a lot about this park. I like to go to the Quilotoa Lagoon because it isn't too far from the place that I'll stay. I think that I can try to taste everything, every kind of dishes from Quito while these vacations. But I'm not 100% sure because I'm like a little child with the food. I don't eat many things and then after visit all of those touristic places, I would like to party with my cousins. I want to go to the Plaza Foch. There are many things to visit and spend my time in pubs, discotheques, restaurants, all of that in just one place. It's great. Maybe I will stay like a week in Quito and then I'll be back in Loja. In Loja, I want to spend my time with my family because I cannot stay many time with them because they are working all day and I'm busy with the things of the institute. So I want start to go to park with my family, watch movies, visit to my grandma and another things. I will start to do exercise because I want to do better my health and I will go to jogging and maybe I get a membership in the gym. I live close to the evolution gym so maybe I'll be in that gym. My best friend lives close too, so I will go with her. In every vacations I visit to my brother in Zamora. He lives there like 4 years ago with his wife and his son. I hate the weather there, but I really love to see my brother. He is the biggest brother in the family, and I have a very good relation with him. Always the family rent a synthetic soccer field and play the oldest family versus the youngest family, and the loser cook the dinner for the rest of the week. I love that idea because always is very funny all the things that happen in the match and I feel that a lot that activities make closer to my family. I really hope that my team will be the winner. When we are in Zamora, always the family make a big barbecue and my father makes his famous smoked beef. All of us love that dish. It's really good. Then we get into the pool that my brother have in his house and we play water polo because we love that game. It's real fun. Now I'm starting a business so in my vacations I want to dedicate a big part of my time in this. I just have brownies now, but I will have more time so I will try with another desserts for my business. I would like play basketball with neighbors because 5 years ago I played basketball in the Federación de Loja, but I had an injury in my left leg. So I had to stop my training. I really love this game, so I do everything to play in my vacations. I'm planning read some books about many different stories, so I want to make an analysis and a recopilation to do a kind of comic with different ideas and different characters in one world, a kind of multiverse. This will be just for fun. After that, I gonna make an illustration version All of this is just for practice, the things that I learned in the institute. At the end of the vacations, I'm planning to go to the Pucara Park to camping with my family. When we go to camping in some park, we usually do a good fire and do some s'mores. We love that, and then we love to look the sky and count the stars, so we will do a lot of things. I know my vacations will be very fun. I will be all the time with my family and some friends. I will try to be productive in these vacations, and I really hope that I'm gonna do everything about these plans. Thanks, teacher.